Let's talk about lists and scales. In Python, a list is defined like this, with a bracket and then some values. We do 1, 2, the string 3, and the number 4, and then let's say true. And one way to access items in a list is to say for thing in T, indent and print thing. Let's think about what that probably is going to output. It's probably going to output 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then true. Well, let's watch that. Notice also that it printed each one on a new line, which is the default behavior of the print function. But let's make this more interesting. Let's take a line that represents a musical scale. Let's take a list that represents a musical scale, sorry. C, D, E, oops, that'll work. F, G, A, B, C. Now, let me set up, and I need to remember how to do this. It's import musical beeps. One word, that's an important distinction. Import musical beeps. Musical beeps.player volume mute output. Okay. Player equals musical beeps player. The fact that player is capitalized is a hint that player is a class. But the player over here is going to be an instance of the class. That's maybe a little advanced for this lecture, but I thought I'd mention it. And apparently now this is a lecture, so welcome to class. Anyway, volume equals 0.3, mute output equals false. Let's say for note in T, player dot play note, and this is going to be of note, and let's do 0.5. So that's going to be like CDE is the note, and 0.5 means half a second to play each note. Let's try that. Very nice. There's only one problem with that, which is that it well, it's not a problem per se, but notice how it started with a low sound. Let's play it again and make sure you get a good chance to hear it. See how it went up, but it went back down again? That's because I haven't specified an octave for any of these notes, and therefore it just has to pick one. We can fix that by going back to our T equals that, and this will be C, probably C4, octave 4, probably 5. Now let's go back and for note in T, player.play node 0.5. There, very nice. So now you see how you can play a scale by using the list data structure in Python. Let's take this one step further and play a little song. Let's say T equals C, comma, C, comma, G, G, A, oops, that was a mistake. G, I'm hitting the return button when I don't mean to. A, G, and I'll just play that G twice to make the rhythm make sense. F, F, E, with a quote, E, E, D, D, C, that's it. Now go back to our other code for note in T, player.play note, and hopefully this sounds something familiar. Do you know any other melodies that you could try to figure out what the notes are and play them with Python? I'd love to hear in the comments if you do. Thanks for watching.